Here's how to set custom page file size. First, open the Start menu and search for Adjust the Appearance. Then, select Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows from the search results. Once the Performance Options window opens, click on the Advanced tab at the top. Then, find the Virtual Memory section and click the Change button. At the top of the next window, you'll see an option called Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Make sure this option is unchecked. After that, select Custom Size. Here, you'll need to enter two different values, the initial size and the maximum size. For these values, we'll use a calculation based on Microsoft's recommended multipliers. First, we need to find out how much RAM is installed on your computer. If you don't know how much RAM you have, open the Start menu and search for System Information. Open it, then scroll down until you find Installed Physical Memory, with the amount of RAM shown in brackets. For example, my computer has 16 gigabytes of RAM. If your computer has 8 gigabytes, 24 gigabytes, or another amount, use the amount installed on your own computer. Now, open the Calculator app. Enter the amount of RAM you have. For me, that's 16. Next, multiply that number by 1024, which converts the RAM amount into megabytes. Then, multiply the result by 1.5. This gives us the initial size value. Now, enter this number into the initial size field. Next, we need to calculate the maximum size. Clear the calculator and enter your RAM amount again. Multiply it by 1024 again, and this time multiply the result by 3. Keep in mind that your values will be different if your computer has a different amount of RAM. Once you've entered both values, click Set. Then, click OK, and click OK again to close the remaining window. Finally, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, the new page file settings will take effect. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.